Okay, there she goes. Bit hard to turn it on with your feet, but Sasha's assumed her pose. Sasha thought she was close enough to go to shore. I think she is now having second thoughts. Our anchor at Snake Bank, tide's about a third of the way out. I think it's fairly neepy at the moment, although we do have high pressure, so it'll probably go reasonably low. And I stopped here so Puppy could run around, probably chase the birds. They're quite safe from her. Come on, pup. Sasha and I have been for a walk around on shore. Yes, she chased the birds. Tide continues to go out. Trouble is, every time I go for a swim, she follows. Attack, yes. It's not much wind. Tide's going with them, which is helpful. Pretty sure there's a race because there's a few more boats coming. A little bit of breeze come up now. There was a bit of communication going on aboard there. Get that jib in. Well, here come the next ones. Monohull, a try, and a cat. I think the cat's probably TL Systems. They're just down the road from us. Oh, we've got a Farrier 22. That's about 7.5. It's pretty much low tide now. Nicely northerly. Might as well sail up the harbour for a change. Okay, mainsail up. Up anchor. Here comes TL Systems. Puppy's been keeping a lookout on the starboard bow, coming back to report, and looks like the monohull's getting close to finish. I presume they're finishing off Onarahi Yacht Club. We're on a very broad reach at the moment. I don't think I've adjusted the sails once. and change course by 5 degrees. Sasha's busy carrying out a barking conversation with the dog on shore. Looks like the leading keeler's going to drop off through at the pontoon. Fishing and swimming. TL systems presumably heading home. Barry's motoring. Here come the others from Jenica. Well, we're anchored by Limestone Island. It's clouded over. Actually got some light rain at the moment. I don't think it will make a difference to the drought. I'm sure the sea breeze is turning around. It's west now. Go around to southwest, I think. Lots of boats are behind us fishing. There's the one that motored past us just as we were getting the sails up. And over here is Onarahi with the airport on top. And Puppy's dried. Are you dry now, Puppy? Yep. You're allowed inside now. Well, this cheap fan has run a bearing. It's just about impossible to turn it. This one, I think, is a permanent magnet motor. It's not cheap as you turn it. Way more expensive, but I'm told it will last a long time. Oh, well, it works. This is a pulse width modulator, fan control, speed control. It works as well, probably best to avoid it. Certainly a bit quiet on the other one. Okay, there she goes. A bit hard to turn on with your feet, but half speed. Full speed. Well, there's certainly no bearings in here, they're bushes. I suppose as you'd expect from a cheap motor. Yeah, those yellow wires were connected to something, but they're not connected anymore. So, cheap and shitty, but I suppose it did. 8 years. I see the problem. That black cylinder was a capacitor, and these bits of foil were the guts of the capacitor. So there was a capacitor across positive and negative, I presume for noise control, electrical noise. I'm on an easy way to power it, so who cares if it's 18 volts. Running out of hands. Okay. Well, you can see that we've got the gearbox back together properly, so the turning's working. Oh well, got a spare now. The wind's turned around to the southwest. Tide's still coming in, hence the swirling water. I suppose you want dinner? Yeah? You want dinner? Look what I found. Is that what you want? Yeah, it seems to be the right stuff. Yes, I need to remember to top up the outboard, so we'll do that now. Hopefully you can hear the bird song. cat in front of us. Very low bridge deck. Looks like it's just about touching the water in these conditions. Come on, Sasha, that's Daddy's seat. Move out. Come on, move. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. It's tough, isn't it? Who's back on Daddy's seat again? Hey? You? You? Oh, puppy, it's salt water. You don't want it. Skyline about Albury with about Mania in behind. So that's at Northport. This one is not loading. Yesterday and I saw the tugs start to take it out. This one here is loading. We have a bit of a southeast cover. It's on the nose, so we might as well carry on motoring. The puppy's been keeping me company. She's got sick of sitting on the bow. Right, so here's Kokako, another one of our coastal tankers that take refined product around the country. Now they don't go to Auckland because there's a direct pipeline down there, which gave terrible trouble 2 or 3 years ago when there was a leak after a digger collected swap cowrie that damaged the pipeline at some stage in the past. And that created major havoc for over there's Waipu Cove where we went last weekend. So, pouring over near there. It's gone ebb tide at the moment. Job continues to be lookout. It's the pilot boat, so one would presume there's a ship coming in. The difference between here, where we got wind against tide, or waves against tide, and just inshore where there's a back eddy, it's virtually calm. There's a crude oil tank. I think we'll head into Smugglers and look at anchoring out there for lunch. Launch is still here, so the attempt we saw to refloat it was unsuccessful, and one presumes at some stage someone's going to have to fork out to remove it. I'd imagine in pieces. We're anchored in 2.5 metres at Smugglers. A little bit of a slop coming in, but nothing major. Okay, lunchtime aperitif. Cockle should have spat out all their sand overnight. You get a free dose of anemones. Sake, I find works well. Sort of saucing it, give them a boil, and then eat them. A bit of lime juice. I'll put the lid on, let them steam open. Looks good to me. So that's lunch. Steamed cockles, oral rehydration fluid, and leftover beef satay. may not look good, but it tastes good. The sun's come out and it's much nicer. Right, I've had a swim. Sasha, of course, had to come in. It took quite a bit of effort to convince her that she wasn't going to the beach. Well, the tides turn, and what tends to happen is we get the incoming happens closer to shore, and there's still an outgoing stream further out. As you can see by these wee white horses a bit further out. Now that's a scow, just flat bottomed. Much bigger versions were used in the early days to get logs out of the shallow rivers and applied to Hauraki Gulf until after the Second World War. We have the tide with us now. It's fully turned. Tuku's discharging ballast. I'm pretty sure that means they're loading product at the moment. And of course the wind has to come up as I get closer to home. Oh well, never mind. You're going quite fast. There's home, and we will have to go across the banks to get there. The washdown hose for the anchor is left out to dry, and it got blown off the boat when I was taking the jib down, and wonders will never cease. I got the jib rolled up, the main down stowed, cover zipped, and still found it. Fortunately, obviously it floated. Hopefully this will keep our bird life out. He's then putting up full clears.